To use Thinkorswim with Schwab, start by logging into your Schwab account and navigating to the Trading Platform section. Thinkorswim is a professional trading platform offered by TD Ameritrade, but it is also available to Schwab clients. First, you need to download and install the Thinkorswim platform from the Schwab website. Once installed, launch the platform and log in using your Schwab credentials. The Thinkorswim platform is divided into several sections, including the Trade tab, Chart tab, and Monitor tab. The Trade tab allows you to place trades, view order status, and access trading tools. The Chart tab provides technical analysis tools and allows you to create custom charts. The Monitor tab provides real-time market data and news. To place a trade, navigate to the Trade tab and select the asset you want to trade. Enter the quantity and price, and choose the order type, such as market or limit. You can also set stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk. Thinkorswim also offers advanced trading tools, such as ThinkScript, which allows you to create custom trading strategies and indicators. You can also use the paper trading feature to practice trading with virtual money. To get the most out of Thinkorswim, it is essential to customize the platform to fit your trading needs. You can create custom layouts, add widgets, and set up alerts and notifications. Thinkorswim also offers a mobile app, allowing you to trade on the go. Schwab clients can also access additional resources, such as trading education and market research, to help them make informed trading decisions. By following these steps and taking advantage of the platform's features, you can effectively use Thinkorswim with Schwab to manage your investments and achieve your trading goals.